I received the Brookstone virtual keyboard for free in order to facilitate this review.
Hey there, this is Amy with selfishmom.com, and recently at a tech show, I tried out this Brookstone virtual keyboard. It's like a laser keyboard that works with Bluetooth, and it's small enough that you can put it on your keychain, throw it in your purse, take it everywhere with you, so that if you don't have a keyboard with you and you want to type a lot, like with your cell phone, then you can put this on a table and actually type like you're typing on a keyboard. I only got to try it out for a few seconds at the tech show because there was literally a line of people behind me waiting to try it out. It's that cool looking. So now I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to try to use it for more than a few seconds and see if it really is useful and still that cool. Okay, so here is the Brookstone virtual keyboard, and I'm going to turn it on by pressing the power button for a couple of seconds. And already accidentally pressing keys. Put that back there so it's in the camera shot. There. And I'm going to turn on Bluetooth on my phone. Not my phone, my iPod. Interestingly, I couldn't get it to work with my phone, which is a Windows phone. It does say that it works with certain Android devices, and okay, we're connected. So I'm going to go to Word because I know that I can use that in landscape mode, and my little holder is in landscape mode. Okay, so this keyboard, first of all, I don't have it hooked up to a computer. If I did, then by pressing the Alt key and the Windows key, I can turn it into a mouse. So I'm not hitting any keys. I would just be using it as a mouse. I don't have it hooked up to a computer, so that doesn't do me a lot of good right now, but I just wanted to show you. The next thing, now it's back on keyboard mode. The next thing that you can control is if you press the function key and the V for volume, you can cycle through the different volumes for the keyboard. If I were in public, I would have it muted like this so that you can't hear the keys. I really can't stand it when I hear other people's keyboards beeping and clacking and all of that in public places. So don't be that person in public, but my cat, I don't think she cares. She's the only one here. So I'll go ahead and put that up so that you can hear it during this demonstration. The next thing that you can control is with the F and S key, which is for sensitivity. I'm sorry, the function and S key for sensitivity. And, do I have function hit? There we go. And it can cycle through 3 different sensitivities. When I first started using this about 10 minutes ago, I had it set on the highest sensitivity and I was hitting a lot of extra keys by mistake. So if you find that that's a problem and you're hitting extra keys, try messing with the sensitivity. I have it on the lowest one now and it seems to work really well. Also, different lighting conditions, according to the instructions, might affect the sensitivity. So again, if you're having trouble and it's a really bright room, play with the sensitivity a little bit. The third thing that I can control is the brightness. If I press the function key and the F6 key, I can make the keyboard as bright as possible. There you go. If you press the function key and the F5 key, you can make it, there we go, you can make it dimmer, but I'm going to make it brighter. The only downside to that is you use more battery. The other battery saver function on this is that if it doesn't detect any movement for about 90 seconds, it goes into sleep mode, and then all you do is just, wave your hand and it'll start up again automatically. So let's try some typing. Let me delete everything that I just did. Okay. Okay, I'm turning the volume up. Let's see how I did. Not bad, just a couple of mistakes, a few mistakes. Ah, I see I didn't get that exclamation point on the end. Let's try that again. No, let's see. No! There we go. Oh, I still misspelled the word, but that's okay. Considering that I just started using this, I think that I did really well. So the next question is, when would I use this? I think that I would probably use it if I were writing something that was really long. Like if I wanted to write a blog post, I could really get ideas out fast with this, much faster than I can do with my thumbs. Would I whip it out if I just wanted to update Facebook? Probably not. I don't think it would really be worth it because I'm not writing a ton on Facebook. It's usually short little things. But, it depends on your preference. I really think that where it shines is for longer things. Okay, so look, this is definitely a novelty item. I mean, it would be really cool to pull it out in the middle of a bunch of people and have them go ooh and ah. But after the novelty wears off, is it useful? And I think that if I were in a situation where I had my iPod with me and I didn't have anything bigger to type on, I think it'd be really handy if I wanted to get some actual work done. Would it be handy for like checking social media and stuff like that? I don't think so, because then you really have to focus on the screen and not on what your hands are doing, and that would be awkward and slow. But to actually type something that's long, yeah, it's faster than using my thumbs. Sure, I would have to go back later and edit it, but those edits would be really quick, and I could get ideas out really fast. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I think that if you have a gadget lover in your life, that person would probably love to get this.